Hello guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can sign up on Heredi application. So first of all you need to search for Heredi earn money with gigs and internships on Play Store. Just search for this application and this will come pop up, and after that I'll just tell you what Heredi is, what Heredi actually is. Like most of you have joined the session, those who have not joined the session, so I'll just explain it for them. So Heredi is your journey of earning money begins here. Join Heredi for gigs and internship. So we have divided the application in three parts. The first part is internship, second part is gigs, and the third part being projects. So gigs are those short-term tasks which can be completed on the go. Let's say we are having a task of download an application. You just downloaded the application on your own and you got some amount. You just transferred it from your wallet to your bank account or your Paytm account or Amazon gift card in a form of Amazon gift card. Second are internships. Internships are those tasks which are actually for a longer period of time. I think most of you know what actually internship is. And the third part is projects. So projects is uh, project can be divided into two parts. One will be the short term projects, another one will be the long term projects. So in these projects you can work like for big brands such as Amazon and all, and work like merchant onboarding or some testing work or some technical work or graphic designing work or any sort of works, and you can just earn rupees 10k to 15k per month on comfort of your home. And the fourth one being the building the resume. So you will be building the resume with your like we have also gave an option to all our users to build their resume in the application. And the fifth part is the referral part. In the referral part, what it is like, you can just earn 5% of your friends lifetime earning by referring them on Heredi. So whenever you are referring any of your friends, you'll be getting their 5% lifetime earning. Let's say if your friends earn rupees 10k lifetime earning on your on Heredi application, they earn 10,000 rupees. You'll be getting around you'll be getting the 500 rupees as a reward, which you can transfer in your bank account or your Paytm or your Amazon gift card, right? So that will be a benefit when you refer someone to Heredi. That's the part. So let's come to the next part. I'll just open the application. You can just install the application from Play Store. As I have already installed the application, I'll just open it. So I'm opening it right now. So this is the login page. If you are already having an account, then you can put your email and password and can log in. And if you are not having an account, then there are two options. You can directly sign in with Truecaller if you are having Truecaller application on your phone. If you are not having Truecaller application, just click on create an account, enter your full name, mobile number, email ID, password, re-enter your password, and then referral code if you are having a referral code. Otherwise, if you are not having a referral code, you can directly sign up. After that, just click on create account. Just a second, I'll just enter all the details. So we have entered all the details here. I've entered all the details out here. First one is the name, second one being the mobile number, third one being the email ID, and then password, and then I have re-entered the password as well. After that, I'll just click on create account. So it's creating my account, sending verification email. After that, it will show a success page out here. So yeah, it is saying that verify your account. Link to verify your email ID will be sent to your email in a few minutes. Verify it before login. Okay, I'll just click on OK. Fine, I'll just take you to my email section where I'll just show you how the verification mail looks like. So here I've got the verification mail from Heredi. After that, just click on confirm account, right? So it says Heredi email verified, log on the app now. I'll just go on the app and I'll just enter my details, and now I'm done. Just go on my app. I'll just enter my password, and once I enter the password, I'll just get back to you guys. So I'm inside the application right now. So as of now, there are only limited internships on the application, but from tomorrow, from 25th of May 2020, you can see as many internships on the application, many internship, many gigs, and many projects as well, right? So this is the app. We have divided in three parts, as I've already told you earlier. I'll just show you a few more things. This is the resume page, where you can build your resume. You can add your education, you can add your skills, you can add your experience, you can add projects, achievements, hobbies, right? and after that you can add your social media profiles as well, and then you can convert it to PDF and can use it as your resume, right? There is my internship part. This is the part where like it will show the internship that I have applied for. This is my gigs, the gigs that I have applied for. This is the wallet part. Here you'll get all your earning. We have divided the earnings like gigs earning and internship earning, or either it is project earning or referral earning, and you can redeem the balance via Paytm wallet. For Paytm wallet, the minimum amount for withdrawal is rupees 10. For Amazon gift card, minimum amount is rupees 100, and for a bank transfer, the minimum amount is rupees 100, right? So these three options are available as of now. And here is the referral code page where you can just get this referral code and copy this, and you can share it your friends with your friends, and they can just sign up on the application, and you will get 5% on every earning made by your referred friend, right? So rewards are, yeah, actually rewards are also for a limited period. We are giving it for first 10k users. After that we may change the this referral code thing, but once you are referring to your friends, you will be getting lifetime earning. Like as you are new user, as you are early bird users, you will be getting this offer lifetime. Like they, whatever they earn, if they earn 10,000 rupees, you get 500. If they earn 20,000, you get 1,000. You don't need to work, actually you will get their referred money, so you can refer your friends as well. So this was the part, and any doubts or queries you can contact us at help@heredity.in. I think this was it for the video. You'll get your next task. Just complete your tasks. If you are having any queries, you can ask it in the group. Thanks a lot guys. Do subscribe the channel for regular updates.